my name is Karan. I'm a self-proclaimed YouTuber who uploads a video like maybe thrice a year. I know, I hate myself too. But if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. So quick life update before we get on with this video. I've been living in Nice, this beautiful city, for the past 4 months now, and I managed to complete one semester which went amazingly well. So it's me and 3 other roommates who live in this apartment. So we have 4 rooms, and I now finally moved into the biggest room. So that was the reason I didn't shoot this video before. It's because I was in a smaller room, and I figured if I'm anyways moving into a bigger room after 4 months, why not wait and show you guys the better one. And it's in the heart of the city. It's right next to my school, and I'm very excited to show you guys my apartment. So let's get on with the video. Welcome to my house, you guys. So the first thing you see as you enter the house is the passageway along which we all have our 4 rooms. We choose to keep our shoes here because we do not have enough place in our rooms. The whole passage has this style which I really love. So this is where we sip on wine, watch TV and occasionally study. This is my living room. In the center of the living room, of course, we have the TV area with 2 simple tables you can probably get at IKEA and a patterned rug. This grandfather couch is my favorite part of the entire living room, as this is where I sit and hang out all day. Just in case you guys didn't know, I do not own this house, I rent it out. So that means I've obviously not designed it, my landlord has. But it's super minimalistic, it's really convenient to have friends over. Towards the other side of the room is a dining table which is very well lit because of a balcony which I'll show you later, but makes it a really cool place to sit, have some cheese, baguettes and study. A quick shout out to my roommates for teaching me how to cook and not making the house a mess. Of course, like all other kitchens, we have our appliances, a toaster, a kettle, a microwave, a coffee machine. A kitchen used by 4 people can tend to get a bit messy, so we have our own fridge shelves and our shelves for the cupboards. Probably my favorite, and the reason I chose this house is because all our rooms and the living room are connected by this beautiful balcony which overlooks the entire town. We have 3 washrooms in the house, 1 toilet, 1 shower and 1 with both. I obviously don't want to get into much detail, but this is where I get ready every morning. Welcome to my room, you guys. So I got this bed sheet just yesterday from Primark at a really good price. You can find it there too. I actually have 2 balconies in my room, which makes it very fresh to wake up every morning. Fresh air, fresh sunlight every day, and of course this magnificent view. On one side of the balcony, I have my study table where I sit and I edit my videos and try to study. It is kind of a mess right now, but yeah, that's it. Above my study table, I have a wall of polaroids, which of course every student away from home needs. On the other side of the balcony, I have this Italian marble fireplace above which I keep, just a bunch of books, magazines, my perfumes and a fake plant. Nice, Karan. Half my clothes were packed as I shot this a day before leaving for India, but this is my wardrobe. To one side I keep all of my jackets. If you know me, I love my jackets and this is only like half of my collection. To the other side, I like keeping things color coordinated. I've got my whites, blacks, greens and of course a special place for all my bracelets and other accessories. Thumbs up, leave comments below what you thought about my apartment, what was your favorite part, blah blah blah. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay blessed. Ciao. I love you.